Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about accessory apartments in Guelph, why you should register one, and the steps to go about doing that. So let's get right to it. The first thing I'll discuss is why you should consider registering your apartment in Guelph. It's no secret anymore that the city's cracking down on unregistered illegal apartments. So it's creating stress for sellers. When you go and sell your property, the city is often getting involved, checking out MLS listings, finding out that your property's not registered, and then creating issues with the sale of your home. So it's important that you want to get it registered, be above board with the city, make sure that your apartment is safe and up to code, and then you won't have that undue stress. The second reason that you want to register your apartment is because it'll simply add value to your home. Buyers are looking for registered apartments that are above board, that they can get top dollar for from tenants, and so you're going to simply add value by having your home registered. So now, the steps involved with registering your apartment. It's really a three-step process, but before we go through those 3 steps, it's important to know the zoning that is feasible for an accessory apartment. So as long as you're in R1 or R2 residential zone within the city, you're okay to go ahead with a 2-unit apartment. So the first step in doing that is applying for a building permit. To apply for a building permit, you're going to need to fill out an application to construct or demolish. You're going to provide drawings to the city and fill out a 2-unit registration form. Of course, with that, there's going to be permit fees and registration fees. And then once the city approves your drawings and design, they're going to go ahead and provide you with a building permit. So once a building permit is issued, that's when you could go ahead with construction. And then once you're done with construction, that's when the inspector comes in to inspect the work and make sure that it's up to the building code. They're also going to need an accessory apartment form filled out by an electrical contractor, a licensed electrician, and then you're also going to need to get an ESA certificate by the Electrical Safety Authority in most situations. So it's a relatively simple process. Of course, it's going to be time consuming, but it will be worth it in the end. I hope you found this video useful. If you're thinking about buying a home and creating an accessory apartment, I'm very confident that I could help you out. And if you've got an unregistered apartment and you're thinking about selling your home, I can really help you out with that as well. Whether you decide to register it or not, I've got a lot of great tips for you. Again, I suggest that you do register it, but that's an open conversation that you and I can have, and we could discuss about the pros and cons in doing so. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.